cheese Danish coffee cake. I haven't had this in a long time. I don't even have a knife to cut it. But I like the container they put it in. I don't have any coffee, but I'm about to go get some. Dunkin' Donuts for the first time. I have a fork, so I'm gonna cut it with the fork. I'll eat it with the fork. You technically can because it's a cake, but the Danishes were like 8 pieces for $1, and I was like, no, I'd rather get the cake. Just lift this whole piece up. Oh, look at that. Super light. It's light and it's not too sweet. It's good. Yeah. You know what? This was $5 when I bought it, but this week it's 2 for $5 at Safeway. I'd highly suggest you get it. Because for $2.50, this is way better than, you know, what you could get at a donut shop. Some donut shops charge like $1.50 or something. You could eat half of this for breakfast. Mm. 100% recommend this, man. I had 2 other ones, but I didn't want to try the s'mores one. That one looked way too sweet. Sounds good, but I can't eat like super sweet stuff anymore. Anyways, I'm gonna go pick some coffee up. I'm gonna try some Dunkin' Donuts. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Definitely try this at Safeway. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.